Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to pop on really fast. I know I haven't really filmed in a while, but I purchased these earrings a while ago. I did open them, you can see it's opened. I opened them just to make sure everything looked good, but then I closed them back up, repackaged it because I was like, no, I definitely want to do an unboxing. These are beautiful. So that's what we're doing today, just a quick unboxing. I do have the item on my phone, so if you see me looking down, it's just because I'm gonna be referencing it. But yeah, this is a brand new designer to me. I've never heard of this designer before. I happened to find him by chance and then purchased these earrings by chance, and they're so pretty in my opinion. So this is how it came, and look at the inside of this box. Is that not so cool? So this is the item. And this is by a designer named Alexis Bittar. I hope I'm saying his last name correctly. I think it's Alexis Bittar. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me scoot in just so I can show you guys. And actually, I didn't even like open this. I just kind of slid it out like so. And I did, when I was purchasing these earrings online, I'm pretty sure it asked me like, do you want gift wrapping? And I mean, I just bought them for myself. So normally I would say no, but because I figured I would probably do an unboxing, I went ahead and got it just so I can show you guys. Just in case you were ever gifting this to somebody, this is what this is how they would receive it. So it looks like this. And then I just left this little tag on. You just pull open this little tab here. So it's like a pouch. And then on the inside are the earrings. And there is, oh, this is what he looks like. This is Alexis Bittar. So this is the designer. And you do get, I don't know, whoopsie. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. You get little pockets in there. So this, and it's a really big pouch. So you could not only house the earrings if you're traveling, but you could house some other items in there too. So it's a good amount of room. Very nice. Okay, so these are the earrings. These are hoop earrings, and I only have one other pair of hoop earrings. Both I purchased, when did I get these? No, I think I got these in 2023. My other pair of hoop earrings I purchased late 2022, and they were the only hoop earrings I'd ever had. So this is my second pair of hoop earrings. It comes in this little like plastic pouch, then some bubble wrap. And then in the bubble wrap is another plastic pouch. So very well packaged. And then, so these are the hoop earrings that I purchased. This is what they look like from the side. Hopefully it'll focus and let you guys see it. And then this is from the front. And you can tell here, it is not a perfect circle. It's an imperfect hoop, which is why I love it. I mean, one reason why I love it. But yeah, these are the hoop earrings. They are so pretty. I was so taken aback by them. I was like, oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like them. Okay, so I want to tell you guys like the actual description, and then I'll kind of tell you what I've come to the conclusion about with Alexis Bittar. But these earrings are the two-tone PAVE hoop earrings, and I have the gold version. Now they do offer a silver version as well, and both are the same price. So it's $155. And the actual description is, for the ones that I have, is 14 karat gold and rhodium tone plated brass metalwork with champagne crystal pave and surgical steel posts. They are 2 grams, they are considered lightweight, and then the actual measurement of the hoop is 1.25 inches as far as the diameter goes. So that's the description. Now, like I said, I didn't know anything about Alexis Bittar. I was looking for earrings online and just happened to find his, and I just fell in love. I think these are beautiful. I think they're very modern. I love how the circle, the hoop is imperfect. It's not like a perfect circle. I love that you have the 2 tones, the gold and like the silver or white gold that's distinguished here. I love that there's some sparkle with the crystal pave. I just think these are so cool, very modern, but very classy at the same time. And I just was completely drawn to them. Now, as far as Alexis Bittar and like where he stands on the jewelry spectrum, I feel like Alexis Bittar is somewhere in the middle, which I'm fine with that. I feel like that's it's good to have that category because some people might want something that is nicer or a little bit more high quality than costume jewelry, but maybe you don't want to spend thousands of dollars for fine jewelry. So I feel like something like this is like a nice middle point. But yeah, I love these so much. I just think they're so pretty. I'm gonna try them on for you guys. Hang on one sec. Okay, so I put the earrings in. I also zoomed in a little bit with my lens just so you guys could see. And I feel like from this angle, you can see perfectly the champagne crystal pave and the yellow gold, which I love that. I love it when you can see both colors. Oh, these are so pretty. Also, really quick, because they are not perfect circles, depending on which ear you put each earring in, it's gonna change how it hangs. So with mine right now, I kind of feel like they're hanging a little bit more inwards towards my face, which I think that's pretty, but I feel like it's interchangeable. So either way, I feel like it would look really pretty. But yeah, these feel nice. They're not super heavy, and coming from me, I'm not somebody who wears hoops. I feel like that's saying something. I'm used to wearing like little studs that are really light. I mean, they're heavier than a stud, but it's not so heavy where I feel like this would hurt my ears. Or if I was gonna wear them going out, I don't think I'd have to like take them off because they're uncomfortable. So yeah, really, really love these. I will definitely link them below just in case anybody's interested. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.